A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Epic Launcher is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Epic account. Go to the Epic Games website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to your email for verification. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Password and Security section, find the two-factor authentication area. Click on the option to enable it. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You can choose to receive your 2FA codes via your email or an authenticator app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Note, if you choose the authenticator app, make sure to download one like Google Authenticator or Authy beforehand. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before starting recovery, use the isra.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now you're all set. With 2FA enabled, your Epic account will be much more secure. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy gaming!